Today we're working on the Ridgeline once again, and we're going to be replacing this blower motor. I just finished doing a video in how to diagnose if this blower motor is good or bad. If you need to watch that video, you can look at the link below. I'll just have it linked in the bottom of this description, like that you can click on it. But if you're already past that part and you just need to replace this blower motor, let's go ahead and get into it. This is a video that's going to be very quick, and you're not going to need too many tools. You will need a 8mm socket with a ratchet or a cordless ratchet. I prefer to use this. And you're going to locate where the blower motor is. And on this Ridgeline, it's over here right underneath the glove box. We're going to take a peek down here. You're going to see that there is a pigtail right here where it connects to the blower motor, and there's going to be 3 bolts, and it's very easy to do. We're going to go ahead and remove the pigtail. You're going to have to wiggle it a little bit to make sure it comes loose. Try not to pull too much on the wires because you could damage the connectors. And now we're going to go ahead and remove the 3 bolts that are holding this blower motor together here. We're going to have one here, one here in the center, another one back here. Once you have those 3 removed, you can go ahead and pull your blower motor out. Okay, so this is the part of the video that I always say, check your parts. Make sure they look similar. They look like the holes are gonna line up and everything's gonna work the same way. The plug, the screws, if everything lines up and everything checks out good, then go ahead and install it. I picked up this blower motor in Amazon, and if you're interested in the link, it's going to be down below in the description. But let's go ahead and install it back. So you're going to remember that this part right here, it's going to sit like this. Make sure it's not sitting towards the back or towards the front. You wanted to make sure it sits pointing towards your pedals in your driver's side. We're just gonna insert it back in, and it seems to hold itself. You might want to have one hand holding the blower while you insert the first screw. And now I go ahead and plug it in. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and test our job here. We're gonna test our work, and I can hear the blowers running. And do we have a lower speed? And we do have a lower speed. We have our higher speed. Beautiful. So that was very quick and painless. You should be up and running in no time. The purpose of this channel as of right now is to empower you guys. I want to be able to do all these repairs, post them, so you guys could save some money and you can fix your vehicles for a very cheap price, because you don't have to take your vehicle to a shop for everything. Things like this are very simple, and you can do it at home. Anyone can do it. It's not difficult at all, and I'm hoping to relay that message through these videos so you guys are empowered and you can save some money, because you know it's nice to save some cash every once in a while. So make sure to subscribe, because I'm gonna have more videos like this posted very soon, just like this. Some things are gonna be very easy to do, quick and simple, and some things they're just gonna take some time, because that's just the way it is. Now if you are interested in the builds that I'm doing, I will be posting it here as well. But I have opened up another channel, and that channel is more dedicated for the enthusiast, for everyone that's a gearhead and wants to just follow what I'm doing, my builds, the race cars, the things that I got going on in the background. So that channel is more dedicated for the enthusiast, everyone that's into the 370Z, the 350Z, the Infinities, yada, yada, yada. We even have a turbo Miata, and there's something else on the way. And if you guys are interested in that, I'll have a link down below so you could check out that channel as well, because there's different content in there that I don't post here. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.